Good morning. This call is number 2015-06196. In the interest of Sir Ethan Thomas, all parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Audrika King, mother.
All right. And representing the state of Texas Attorney General's office.
Vita Sharma.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Lee Arthur Thomas, Mr. Thomas, was personally served on June 6, 2022 at 1:07 p.m. at 3306 Ripple Drive in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Miss Natasha Williams.
All right.
Miss Williams, where are you employed and what is your position at your employer?
I'm employed by the Office of the Attorney General Child Support Division as a child support officer.
And what are your responsibilities as a child support officer?
To investigate and calculate non-custodial parent wage information in pursuant to the Texas Family Code.
And have you received special training to calculate child support in compliance with the Family Code?
I have,
And have you calculated child support in this matter?
yes.
Can you please share your calculations with the court?
The non-custodial parent gross wage information is $4,337.66. I'm given credit for the amount of medical support and dental support ordered, as well as one outside child. Child support will be set at $597 based on a net resources of $3,413.94. Medical support will be set at $200, dental support at $18 per month, all obligations to begin November 1st, 2022.
Thank you. And is that the conclusion of your calculations?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
Ms. King, do you have any questions of Ms. Williams?
No, sir.
All right. May she be excused, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Judge.
All right. You're excused, Ms. Williams. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, I would like to ask the court to also take judicial notice of the prior agreed order that was signed April 21st of 2015.
All right. So noted.
Thank you. And I'd like to call the mother, Ms. Chandrika King. Ms. King, on that prior order I just referenced, Mr. Thomas was ordered to pay current child support in the amount of $170 beginning May 1st and medical support in the amount of $100 beginning May 1st. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And at this time, how is your child covered under health insurance?
He's been covered under I think like the following year after the order was put in place.
Okay, I'm sorry, you broke up. Did you say you carry the health insurance through your employer?
Yes, ma'am. Health vision.
Okay, and is your medical support about $200 a month?
Yes, ma'am. Just for Sir Ethan.
Just for the child, correct?
That's correct.
And are you asking the court to allow you to continue to carry that medical health insurance through your employer and have Mr. Thomas reimburse you at $200 a month?
Correct.
And you stated that dental insurance is also included?
Yes, ma'am.
And is that $18 a month?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order that Mr. Thomas reimburse the $18 for dental insurance beginning November 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's also been a change since the last order. Mr. Thomas now has another child, and you understand that 17.50% is going to be used to calculate your current child support.
That's correct.
And you're asking the court to set your current child support to $597 a month beginning November 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And just one more thing regarding the health insurance. Do you agree to pay half of any uncovered health costs?
Why would he have an uncovered health cost?
I'm sorry, Ms. King, you're breaking up. Can you repeat that?
Why would he have unpaid health costs.
No. Let me
If
repeat
you
the
happen
question.
to have expenses that are not covered by insurance, you are going to pay
Oh,
half,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
50%. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Ms. King. I have no other questions for you, and Judge, I pass this witness.
All right. The court will approve the order. All parties excused.
Thank you so much.
Ms. Sharma?
Yes, ma'am. There's another hearing about to take place. I'll meet you in a breakout room, okay? So just wait there for me one moment.
Hello?
Yes, Ms. Gawasses, we can hear you. We're waiting for Mr. Matthews. Who is Jessica Cavazos? Am I looking at the right now? Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Is this Matthews and Velez? Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Judge.
All right. This is I can't see you, Mr. Matthews.
Hello? There you go.
Yep. There we go. No, the other way. There we go. All right. This is cause number 2021-56242 in the interest of Adan Velez. All parties, witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Tamara Velez, and I'm his mother.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Melvin Matthews, I'm his dad.
All right, and representing Attorney General's office, state of Texas.
Kavita Sharma.
All right, Ms. Skarma, we've got a suit for modification of child support order. What are we doing today?
Yes, Judge. It looks like we signed a prior order January 11th of 2022. Neither party made an appearance on that date, and the state of Texas non-suited their request for conservatorship and child support. It looks like Mr. Matthews filed an answer, and both parties at this time are claiming possession of the child. Ms. Velez is stating the child lives with her, and Mr. Matthews is stating the child lives with him. So custody is at issue in this case, Your Honor.
Well, this is a suit for modification of support order. This
It
only has
is,
to do with support.
but we can't get to any modification because we didn't set any initially because it was a double default. Neither party appeared at the last hearing. And now both parties are claiming conservatorship, possession of the child.
Okay, hold on a minute. Let me look at this. Okay, but there is a modification, suit for modification of child support order. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on. There was a default order establishing the parent-child relationship in January of this year. And all we did was establish Mr. Matthews as the biological father of the child.
That is correct, Your Honor. The Attorney General non-suited the request for surname change, conservatorship,
Right.
possession, access, child and medical support, and non-disclosure findings.
Okay.
And we're unable to come to an agreement between the parties because both parties are claiming that they are the rightful custodial parent of the child in this suit.
If I may add something whenever it's time for me to speak or comment.
Yes, sir.
So Aiden has been living with me well over a year now.
Okay, okay, Mr. Matthews, I'm not going to determine who has custody of this case today. It's going to be transferred to another court, okay?
Okay, all right.
So this matter transferred to the 310th District Court, and DRO mediation is ordered. Anything further, Ms. Sherman?
Nothing further from me, Your Honor.